The US stock indexes are at all-time high, and everyone is wondering if this is the right moment to invest. In this video, we will look at the top 5 stocks we are buying right now, which we believe are the best picks for November. I'll show you how we predict last week's drop in gold prices. And stay until the end because there is a special surprise, an opportunity that could change your life. First of all, you have to know that we have a YouTube channel in Spanish for people that is speaking Spanish. You can follow me. We are away from reaching 5,000 subscribers, and with your click we can hit that goal today. At the end of that webinar there will be something really interesting for you, something not only useful but that could actually change your life. So then we are going in the Forecaster.biz English. In the last video, Did You Miss Gold's Rally is where to invest now. Luca predict the drop of the gold. In fact, if we go in the gold chart, in the section of projection and the 20th October, we can see that the probability was 100%, the projection was strong, and Luca predict that drop of the price of the gold. Actually, if we go in the part of overview, we can see that the prices of gold dropped from 4,360 to the price of today is 3,959. So the price is lost the 10% of the value. Was a very good prediction. Also, in the video, Luca showed us that if we go in 1 month of our mark mood meter, the line of advanced DPO was red, was overbought, and also the prices dropped above 100. So was overbought. The overbought and oversold and the market mood meter was advertising us. Now I want to show you what happened this past week. USA and China announced agreement on TikTok and rare earths. United States and China announced on Sunday a framework agreement that included the transfer of TikTok to American control, the postponement of Chinese export control on rare earths, and substantial purchase of American soybean. And the prices of S&P 500 are rise on the all-time high. Also, the Nasdaq is in an all-time high. And be careful, because if we go in a ranking section of S&P 500, we can see that the top 30 companies are overvalued 2.58%. So be careful, because also if we go in the ranking of Nasdaq, we have the top 30 enterprises are overvaluated 3.11. And if we can see the Magnificent 7, only Nvidia is undervalued 28%, but Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, and Tesla, they are undervalued. And they are undervalued in a crucial moment, because we will have the next earnings of Apple 29th of October. Microsoft the same, Alphabet the same, and Amazon the same, and Meta the same. So be careful with that earnings, and while the prices US indexes are on the top. The bigger question we are all asking ourselves, if we should invest now or wait for a possible drop to buy at lower prices. Personally, I think that given the mixed news, the potential government shutdown, failure of small companies, uncertainty about tariff, and ongoing geopolitical tension, Magnificent 7, the market mood meter on the overbought, oversold, we should remain caution when investing in large cap stock. This doesn't mean we should stop investing. And now it's time to show you the 5 best stock to have in the portfolio from the month of November. And just a reminder, this is not financial advice. So we can go to see the first one. The first stock is ON
holding. People that doesn't know what's when a holding is, here we can see develops and distributes sport products worldwide. It offers athletic footwear, apparel, and accessory. The company offers its product through independent retailers and distributors online and stores. ON Holding was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland, and the sponsor is Roger Federer. I like that stock. We can see that the sales are growing while the prices are dropping down. If we see the last 6 months, the price dropped from 16 to 14. This is very good opportunity. Also, if we go in overbought, oversold, we can see that we have a divergence. While the price are dropping, the market mood meter is doing a bullish divergence. The second one is Tenable. Tenable provides cyber exposure solution for in the America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, all around the world. Its platform including Tenable.io, a cloud-delivered software as a service that provides the organization with a risk-based view of traditional and modern attack surfaces. Is cybersecurity. Luca talked about Tenable in others video, but now is time to put Tenable in our portfolio. Sales are growing and the price is falling down, is in the minimum of history. And the last 6 months, the price was 35 and dropped until 28. If we go in the chart of 1 year, we can see the draw was very strong. And also, if we go in the fundamentals, and we let the EV sales, we can see that the current price is 42% below the fair value, is undervalued. And also our market mood meter is showing us a divergence in the last period from August that the price touched the less 100 line of market mood meter. The third one, I love Duolingo. I think that November is the month of Duolingo. Develops a language learning website and mobile app in the United States and China, also in Europe. The company offers courses in 40 different languages, including Spanish, English, French, Japanese, German, Italian. It also provides a digital language proficiency assessment exam. The company was incorporated in 2011, and we can see that also in Duolingo the sales are growing, and the same is for the net income. They have a very strong fundamentals. The sales are growing, also the net income. And if we go in the part of market mood meter, overbought and oversold, here also we can draw a big divergence in that minimum. We can see that from July until half of September, there were a good divergence. And now the price is following the market mood meter. So probably we will see the price rise in the future. And now it's time for the last 2 enterprises of the month of November. The first one is Diasorin. This is Italian company. I found that company while I was recording a video for Spanish YouTube channel. What about Diasorin? Develops, manufactures and distributes immunodiagnostic and molecular diagnostic testing kits in Europe, Africa, North America, Central and South America, Asia and China. The company provides various immunodiagnostic liaison platform. Is of the sector of healthcare. You can find it in the FTSE MIB, the Italian index. And here we can see something extremely interesting. While the sales are growing, the price is dropping down. And if we go in a projection, we can see that we have a 83% of probability that the price will rise immediately. And we have more 25%, but not just 27, the projection of today. Also, if we go in the 24, 23, 2022, we have a strong projection and the price can rise 24-25%. The last one, but is my favorite in absolute, Mercado Libre. I use the Mercado Libre in South America, in Colombia, in Brazil, and in Argentina. Is very strong company. Operate online commerce platform in Latin America. It operates Mercado Libre Marketplace, an automated online commerce platform that enable business, merchants, and individuals to list merchandise and conduct sales and purchases online. And Mercado Pago, fintech platform, a financial technology solution platform which facilitated transaction. Is very good company. Is like the Amazon of South America, Central and South America. Why I love Mercado Libre? Because it's very strong company. The sales are growing, the net income also, and the prices in the last 6 months have dropped from 2060 to 2024. It's a big drop. The advanced DPO is showing us that it was oversold. And something very interesting is Wyckoff is in a accumulation phases while the price is rising up. I love Mercado Libre and I put 5 stocks in the section of watch list. We can see the change of prices of yesterday, of 1 week, 1 month. Also, we can see the market mood meter, the fair value, the best correlation, and we can use also the Forecaster AI agent. What's happening at the qualitative scorecard. And I love that section of news because you can find every news of the stocks that you have in the watch list. Now it's time for a special moment for me, and it could also be a great opportunity for some of you. If you go to the Forecaster website and you scroll until the end, you can see the section careers hiring, and you go in analyst and content creator for Forecaster apply now. Feel free to email me directly. You have my email here, luciano.viola, Forecaster.biz. If you want to work with us and you know languages like Portuguese, French, German, you can work with us. The only requirement are language skill, motivation, the desire to grow and do things well, believing in what Forecaster stands for. I prefer people that speak Portuguese, French, because I speak Portuguese and French and I can manage well the future channel. But feel free if you know other languages. Also, we'll start with an Indian channel, and also we started with a Russian channel. We are growing up and we want to go around the world with the Forecaster. Luca is in Hong Kong now for Forecaster. If you have a minute, go in Trustpilot in the Forecaster section and please leave us a nice review. It really helps us spread Forecaster to more people around the world. Thank you all so much. It's been a real pleasure for me to be part of this Tuesday webinars, and don't forget to subscribe Forecaster.biz Espanol, and big hug to everyone and see you soon next time. Thank you very much.